how to get credits on Mercari. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would be teaching you how you can get credits on Mercari. So credits on Mercari is a means of rewarding you for carrying out certain tasks. So if you want to earn credits on Mercari, it's very simple. The number one thing you must do is that to earn credits on Mercari, you have to engage your Mercari account very well. The more you engage on your Mercari account, the more likely you are to get credit. So the first step will be for you to invite your friends. Share your invite link with your friends and family, and you'll earn credits when they sign up and make their first purchase. That's the first thing. Second thing you should do is to make purchases. Every time you make a purchase on Mercari, you earn credits based on the total amount spent. Then, and that step is for you to sell items. Alright, make good use of your account by selling and buying items. So list and sell items on Mercari to earn credits. The more you sell, the more credits you can accumulate. And how can you sell items? On the top right corner of your page, you see the option sell, right? Or you see the option list an item. It means the same thing. Just click on that, click on the sell button, then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to list the items that you'd like to sell. Alright, list the items, and once people buy the products, you would also get more credit. Then lastly, keep an eye out for special promotions or events on Mercari that offer credits as rewards. Keep an eye out. So if you've not subscribed to the newsletter of Mercari, ensure you do that so that you can also have access to earning credits as your rewards. So that is it everyone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.